Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Messages. Turn iMessage on so the service registers with Apple. Next, sign in using the Apple ID that matches your contacts. This links conversations across devices. Once signed in, go to Send and Receive and select the phone number or email addresses you want people to reach you at. This determines which threads sync. If necessary, enable FaceTime with the same Apple ID. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active, so activation completes quickly and reliably. You compose messages by tapping the pencil icon, typing a name or number, and choosing from suggestions. This keeps it fast. To attach media, tap the camera or app toolbar. Add photos, videos, voice messages, memoji, or your location. Attachments upload via Wi-Fi or cellular, so be mindful of large files. Once a message is sent, use tapback for quick reactions, bubble effects for emphasis, and press a message to reply inline to keep threaded context. Also pin important conversations for immediate access. You finish setup by enabling messages in iCloud from settings right arrow your name, right arrow iCloud. This syncs threads and attachments across your devices and frees space locally. Customize notifications and focus so important chats alert you. Adjust screen time to limit message use if needed. If something fails, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, toggle iMessage off then on, and verify network connectivity. These steps resolve most activation and sync problems. If issues persist, reboot the iPad and retry activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.